If your apps or games on BlueStacks 5 are not working properly, clearing app data can fix most issues. In this step-by-step guide, I show you exactly how to clear app data on BlueStacks 5 in 2025 and get your apps running smoothly again. Start by launching the BlueStacks 5 on PC or laptop. Wait for it to load completely. Select this home icon and go to System Apps and select Settings app. This is where you manage all BlueStacks options. In Settings, go to Apps. Here you will see a list of installed apps and games inside BlueStacks. Find the app or game you want to reset or fix. Click on it to open the app info menu. Select Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Storage option. Select OK. And this will reset the app to its default state, removing cache, login info, and temporary files. Be careful, this will erase your progress in some games if it's not saved to an account. And now you can close these settings and relaunch the game. Select the skip option to not show again, and it will now start fresh as if it was installed. This usually fixes crashes, freezes, and slow performance. And that's how you can clear app data on BlueStacks 5 in 2025. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Comment below if you have any problems. I'll make a video to help you fix it.